How to empty a Roomba and the filter. Emptying your Roomba regularly keeps it functioning smoothly. Whether you have a Roomba with a self-emptying bin and a clean base, or one you must empty manually, the process is straightforward and easy to do. Here are a few of BestReviews.com's tips to cleaning your Roomba. Each Roomba robot vacuum comes with internal dustbins, which are simple to remove and can be emptied with just a couple of steps. No matter what series Roomba you have, its filter is inside the dustbin, so you must remove the bin from the robot to access it. In most models, the dustbin is on the back side of the vacuum and has a button to press that releases it. Once you remove the dustbin, take it to the trash and press the button to open it. You may need to shake it a bit to remove all the debris inside. Even if you have a self-emptying Roomba, some dirt can still be inside, so check before continuing. iRobot recommends you clean your Roomba's filter at least once a week. If you have pets, the brand suggests upping your cleaning to twice weekly. A Roomba filter is located somewhere inside the dustbin. The filter slides easily in and out of place, so pull gently to remove it from the bin. Roomba filters are not washable, so you should never attempt to clean them with water. Instead, simply tap the filter against the side of your trash can to knock off the loose dirt and debris. Next, reinstall the dustbin in the robot, ensuring it is securely in place so your Roomba is ready to clean again. Keep in mind that it depends on how often you use your robot vacuum. Your filter may need more frequent cleaning if you run your vacuum daily, or less frequent cleaning if you only run it weekly. However, if your Roomba has a new filter but you notice its suction is weaker than usual, the filter may be clogged and require cleaning immediately. If you don't have a self-emptying model, it's a good idea to empty the dustbin of your Roomba after every cleaning job to keep everything running smoothly. Following these easy steps will have your Roomba operating at peak performance while cleaning your floors. For more great how-tos, tips, and answers to your questions from BestReviews.com, give us a like, ring the alarm bell, and leave your thoughts below.